It's all in the life, all in the life. Let's try to stay on the racetrack, but it's a long winter. It's a long winter, guys. All right, roller back, make some room.
Make some room in the old Duramax.
Check it out, guys. It's another BMW.
A little further. We're coming down about at 6 or 8 inches.
Yeah, leave it there. That'll be good.
All right.
There you go. This is
In the snow right now, and I'm a little worried that it's gonna suddenly
move.
Slide a little.
Yeah.
So, what year is this? 2016?
16.
That's right.
So
Looks just like my bike. Got the full handle on there. He's got the Woodcraft.
Ready for that, yeah.
No doubt, huh? Super simple. Oh yeah, you got the wheel chock.
Sweet.
Hello.
How's it going?
We are moving on some snow road, checking out some lodge along the way. And as you can see in the back, what do we got back there, Q-Man?
Do we got, can I see?
Little bit of bike.
Project Mystique.
Project Mystique. So 2016 BMW S1000.
Parts
Q-Man.
and pieces.
We got some body work in the back seat here. Picked up a used race bike. And yeah, guys, so we got another bike build coming up. So if you're interested in following along, I can do the updates like I did on Project Morpheus and follow Q-Man's progress of the new bike. And make sure you like this video to let me know that's a good idea, and subscribe and share and let us know what you think. 79 Celsius.
Yeah. Or is it 79 Celsius?
Well, that's what it would say, yeah. That exhaust is so cold. Looks like
It's still cold. I put my hand on it.
It's just idling. Look where we are, guys.
Windy too.
Trying to warm it up to around 100, get the oil temperature up, because there's no coolant in the bike. You know, it could freeze. -8 outside. Well, my old man's calling me.
Miserable out there. So cold.
Man,
all right, let's go back.
-6 with a wind chill. Dang. We were just checking out this lodge. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Anyways, this is Project
Mystique.
Project Mystique.
Oh, it's so cold.
He's already causing us cold issues.
Furious.
Q-Man.
What's going on? We just made it back to Kelowna.
That's right.
Here we are. Time to unload Project Mystique.
Welcome, Project Mystique, everybody.
Yeah, it looks like not much right now with the bodywork missing, but it's going to be fine. It's going to be good.
That's right. It does look pretty sweet as just a naked race bike. And future Project Mystique, put some more parts on it, tear it down, do all the maintenance, get her all prepped up.
Yeah.
All right, let's get her out of the truck, out of the Duramax.
All right, out of the Duramax. Here we are, bike rolled down.
dirty
shop,
bike
so
from the back of the road.
Oh, the road. Look
Right
at the
there.
bike. Oh,
It's not too bad.
it's terrible.
It's not like the truck.
Oh, the truck is really bad.
All right.
Okay.
So we need a rear stand or what?
Yeah, I got the rear stand over there. I'm just trying to fit it around them.
Around the big RZR?
Yeah.
You guys, well,
Like a dirt bike, buddy.
look at this shot right there. That's a photo. I took a photo.
I don't want to hit my Camaro.
Project Mystique right there. Profile shot. Yeah. You want me to help? How you gonna manage it?
Project Mystique coming into the lineup.
Clearly, you need a bigger shop.
Always need a bigger shop or less toys.
No, that's never an
I
option.
think bigger shop is better than less toys. I think.
That's right. Once they add a sweet beta and we got some 400s in here, who knows what's gonna happen?
Yeah, exactly. Who knows?
Mystique. Please give this video a like, thumbs up, and leave a comment to see if you're interested in seeing the bike build project. He was like stuck. Spinning up the dualies. Yeah, Project Mystique, guys, if you're interested in me doing an update series similar to Project Morpheus. So let me know. We got Project Mystique on the horizon for the YouTube fans.
Okay, just gonna be issuing you a ticket for drive without due care and attention, okay? You have 30 days to either pay or dispute the fine. All the instructions are on the back there. If you pay within 30 days, they reduce it by an amount. I believe it's like $25 or something like that.
Okay, how much is the ticket initially though?
$368.
Yep.
Okay?
6 points I'm assuming as well?
I'm not too sure actually. It might be, I don't know.
Hopefully not. Okay, thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
The Adventures of the Rally Miata. Oh, where the hell am I walking? Yeah, 368 Canadian. Drive without due care. I had plenty of care, I can tell you that. Plenty of care with my drive.